I've discussed a very important topic. What is different between the Google AdWords and Google Express? Google AdWords is dependent by your website or videos or mobile apps. But Google AdWords Express is dependent on your mapping. Without mapping, you can't create your ads. So here, this is for Google Ads first. Now click the campaign, search network, display, search with display will be is called Google AdWords. Now if you go with the Google AdWords Express, now this is my mapping. So see, these are all my mappings here. What is my mapping? Website design development. Now first I click the my mapping here. This is my mapping or not. How to check? The website call is business.google.com. Now check the screen here. How many mappings are there? First one, Arasamaj Amir page, Hyderabad, System Online Training Hyderabad, India Designs in Hyderabad, Rakesh Solution. Only for published one you can see. Only for published, not for the verified one. SAP Online Training, Website Design Development, Hyderabad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 7. Now, come to here. Already one is there here. What is the option call is? Website Design and Development Hyderabad. Now come to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 7. Doing 8. But the mapping is not verified. So I'm not considered by this option. Renika Devi computers. Why? The mapping is not verified. When showing is published, ad will be published on your mapping. So I can show your ad here. Digital marketing training in Hyderabad. Now go to your ads. Your ad will be like this. This is called Google AdWords Express. This is called mapping ads. Clear? This is called mapping ads. Campaign will be like this on Google AdWords. Now see the campaign for here. Write down Google AdWords campaign. Call your business. First campaign. Call your business. Visit your storefront. Take an action on your website. Is it clear? Google AdWords Express is mapping dependent. AdWords dependent by your website, mobile apps, and YouTube channel. Is it clear? AdWords is called CPC. AdWords Express is called PPC. Pay per click. Cost per click, pay per click. Is it clear? This is different from your AdWords and AdWords Express. Please write down the few points. See here and discuss about the few points here. Google AdWords versus AdWords Express. PPC is the AdWords Express. CPC is the AdWords. Now ad formats. See here. Just write on this table piece. Compare with the product at log glance. See here. Write on this one. Pay only for click. Yes. Yes. Per click wise. Pay per click, cost per click. Both are same. Is a pay per, they charge. Per click, they charge. Now, automated management. Yes for AdWords Express. No for AdWords. Easy solution for business without a website. Yes for AdWords Express. Without website also we can promote using for mobile number. Here without website we can't promote your AdWords. Ads on Google search and Google Map. Yes and yes. You can display your address also in search network, both AdWords and AdWords Express. Ads and other related website limited. Here, yes. Why? Display ad will be shown by the which website is showing for Google AdSense. We can display our display ads. It's called display network. Mobile ads. Both will be yes. That is called Google mapping. See, other advanced format, video. AdWords Express will be no. AdWords will be yes. Last one. Ability to target ads geographically. Anywhere, anywhere. First time when you install the Google Ad Express, they can target only for one location. This is called local business. Right now they implement to the anywhere into the global. Is it clear? This is a difference. It's a very important one for AdWords and AdWords Express. So few steps are there. Just read on this all options. What option will be included for your AdWords and AdWords Express? Keywords, bidding, reach, ad format, Google Places, website, and MCC. This is for your website for options. Oh yeah, is it clear? This is for AdWords and AdWords Express.